Dear Diary, today I'm trying American favorite sandwich, PB&J. Okay, so I just came from store and I got nature on bread. They get the wheat bread is more healthy for you, and I have Jif peanut butter, and I got the Kai brand jelly. So let's make a sandwich. I've never had this kind of sandwich before in my country, but I think it cool. It had its own song, and I'm finally can sing it and know what I'm happy for, because they say peanut butter gel time, peanut butter gel time, peanut butter and baseball bat. So come on, jelly, come out. I think that's good. So peanut butter gel time. It smells good. I don't want white bread because I want to be healthy, but I heard it might not taste good because it's wheat bread. But